if a business has a potential to earn 1 crore, how much do you think should be your investment? You want to earn 1 crore or 5 crore or 10 crores. How much do you think that if a business has a revenue potential of 6 crore, 10 crore, 1 crore, 50 lakhs, XYZ, whatever the potential that you have figured out right now, how much do you think you should invest to set up that business? How much will be the investment required to set up such a business? See, I have taken multiple franchisees, okay? And 2008-9, when we were looking at Subway franchisee, that time it was costing 40 lakhs. I'm talking 10 years, almost 11, 12 years back. Okay. So I don't know the numbers right now. It will be more, 60 lakhs and more. Just to take the franchisee, plus rentals and deposits and interiors and everything, whatever, okay? And the monthly sale of a good selling outlet. A monthly sale of a good selling outlet is anywhere from 8 lakhs to 15 lakhs. So when will the break even happen? 60 lakhs break even. When do you think it will happen? Break even means how much they invested, they got that much, and the profits will start happening henceforth. Minimum 3 years people say for break even. Minimum 3 years. Yes, thank you, Shama Prasad Goswami ji. Thank you so much. 10% investment is too less. No. Minimum 10%. So for a 1 crore, no. If you want to make 2 crores in stock market, how much you have to invest? See, when you invest 1 lakh rupees, you get 20% gains. Minimum you expect, right? If you are investing in real estate, stock market, whatever, you know, minimum 20% is a good number to gain, right? So 1 lakh dala to 20,000 mila. 1 lakh you put, then you got 20,000 extra. So 10 lakh is 10% is too less. In our IT company, when we started way back in 2006, we invested 10%, which is not 10%. We didn't know the revenue potential back then. We invested around 10 lakhs. But when within a year, we got our one CR because we were doing very well, performing very well. Okay. So minimum 30% you should invest. And that's, I mean, I'm saying that it is a good strategy to keep that much. All right. So now will you consider this as an investment or a spend? When you invest in gold, do you consider it as an investment or a spend? When you invest in stock market, what grows is an investment. Investment. Thank you, Apsara. Investment, right? Then what is a spend? What is a spend then, right? I see people spending 20,000-30,000 rupees on their child's birthday. Now for me, that's a spend. Okay. In marriages, people spend lakhs. That's a spend. It's gone. You buy a car, the moment you take out of the showroom, 20% depreciation right away. That's a spend. But if your car is a marketing tool for you, because your business needs, like for builders, having a high-end car is very important. For celebrities, having a high-end lifestyle is very important because it adds on to their brand. Then that is an investment for them. But if you are a working professional with a salary of 18 lakhs per year, and then you want to buy Mercedes, is that an investment or a spend? Right? So it's very important. So if you want your business, if you want to grow your business, you will have to invest in infrastructure, invest in consultant, so that you reduce your chances of failure, increase your chances of success, right? So I just also want to draw your attention that in order to start earning, right, how much have you spent in your education, in schooling, graduation, post-graduation, PhD? How much have you, so your education was investment or spend? How much have you invested to become a lawyer, to become a CEO of a MNC, or a working professional right now, a math teacher, a teacher right now? How much have you invested in your schooling, in your education? What is that number? It's for you to work out, right? How much are you investing in your children education, in the education of your children right now? But for how many years, right? Just write down that amount somewhere, right? So working with a consultant or a mentor, is it a spend or an investment? Is it an expense or an investment? One idea, one input, one insight can significantly transform the way you are generating your income, revenue. One hack, one strategy, right? So it's very important that you invest in yourself, right?